Hello! Let's learn some colors. Red color, purple color, blue color, pink color, yellow color, orange color, black color, green color. Let's learn some fruits. Strawberry, banana, watermelon, cherry, apple, pear. Red color. Strawberry is red. Apple. Apple is red. Cherry. Cherry is red. Watermelon is red. Yellow color. Banana. Banana is yellow. Brown color. Green color. Dark green color. Strawberry, banana, watermelon, cherry, apple, pear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.